Welcome to Patriot Contraptions. Today's video is designed to give you a little history on my channel, why I do YouTube, and what you can expect from this channel in the future. So without further ado, what's the history of this channel? Well, this channel started back in 2013, and the first video ever on it was a how-to cardboard boat video. Now, this channel wasn't my first attempt at YouTube. I've done several channels before this, and bonus points to those of you who know who they are, because they're really obsolete right now. But the important part is, I got started on this channel, and my idea behind this channel was to bring some cool inventions I'd been making to be able to share them with my friends and family and others of those who are interested in this type of building. So that's why I started posting my cardboard boat videos, and that then got into my homemade bicycles, which I went on quite a craze of. I think I've made over 5 homemade bicycles now, completely new designs. Then I got into Nerf for a little bit and built some Juggernaut suits, did some custom blasters and things. But that wasn't quite totally me and this channel's main purpose ever. I've also consistently throughout this channel done motor work. So I've been posting a lot of small engine videos, lawn tractor videos, and the like on this channel as well, along with a lot of tutorials. So mainly this channel up to this point has been tutorial based, and that's going to change a little bit in the future. Now, for those of you who are familiar with the channel, in 2018 you saw a lot of Lincoln Douglas debate videos come up on the channel, and that was mainly due to YouTube's new monetization policy, which eliminated the ability to monetize channels which had less than 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 watch hours. So that killed 3 of my channels off. Actually, it killed every single one of the channels I was running at the point, and the LD Man was one of them. So those videos got shuffled onto Patriot Contraptions just to try to consolidate all of my good videos into one working channel, because otherwise there's no way I can afford to post these videos. So that comes to, why do I do this channel? I do this channel because I really love this. This is my hobby. This is just how I get out and show some of my artistic talent, just design things that people have never made before. And I also want to inform people so they can avoid mistakes that I've made. That's been a true focus of why I do a lot of the how-to videos here. Now, that being said, without having a channel monetized right now, I don't have any money coming in to support this channel, which leads me to the plan for 2020. And this year is going to be different than any of the other years because, as most of you probably know, I work a lot. So this is not my full-time job, obviously. I'm not a YouTube celebrity. So I have a full-time job I do outside of this, and that's cutting into a lot of my filming time. So it may come as a surprise to you to know that for a 3-minute video you watch on YouTube, I spend about 6 hours in filming and editing that video. So that's a lot of film time on me that I'm trying to get these videos out so they're the best quality for all of you out there. So that being said, I can't keep spending 6 hours for one 3-minute video. So in order to just make this better for all of us and have me still be able to run this channel and I think improve it overall, I'm going to stop doing the multiple part series. So you've seen this a lot with the Dirt Jumper. Actually, the Dirt Jumper series is notorious for this. I started out with this and it's just escalated into, I think it's on part 9 or 10 now. And it's sort of because I've been working on the project gradually. I want to stop doing just gradual project builds. I want to do complete projects now. So in future, what I plan to do is when I upload a video, it's going to be project from start to finish completely in one video. That video may be a little bit longer. It may be like along the 10-minute line is what I'm shooting for. Maybe a little less. But it should be much more interesting. It'll cut down on my editing time for this because now I'm editing only one video instead of, say, 10 videos. It'll get rid of a lot of those parts where, like in the Dirt Jumper series especially, I do something, then a month later I realize it doesn't work, I take it off, and then I do something else, and then I come back to it, and over again, the cycle repeats. And it's frustrating kind of for me to watch that. So I want to get rid of that, and by uploading just complete builds, when they're done, fully decorated, and fully operational, I'll upload them to YouTube. So I'm shooting for about 1 build a month now, maybe 2. We'll see how well it goes. But these are not going to be your piecemeal videos anymore. These are going to be one video, completely start to finish of a project. And I'll be doing the demos of that project in that video as well. Now, I do understand that this may not be able to happen on every single video. For example, my snow tractor build, I wanted to film a lot more of it blowing snow, and that didn't happen simply because the weather was not getting along, and it still hasn't snowed since I posted the last video, so we really haven't been able to test all the new upgrades to it. But that being said, those will be the rarities. And how is this going to affect the how-to side? I know a lot of you come to my channel with how-tos in mind. So during these new videos, I am going to still be doing some of the how-to stuff throughout the video, how I'm making, say, a certain paint job or a paint scheme. The difference is going to be I'm not going to do specific tutorials on each section. Now, if you want a specific tutorial, be free to comment on that video, and I'm always happy to film a tutorial if there's enough interest in it. But I really need to see interest in the tutorial before I go and spend a lot of my time on it, because I don't really have a lot of time to run this channel right now. And as much as I enjoy doing this, this has become more of a hobby for me as opposed to a business approach. So I'm going to have a lot more fun in the future with this. I feel it's going to come out with a lot better content, a lot cooler content, and it's just going to be a little more relaxed overall as a feel for this channel. So that being said, I look forward to showing you all my builds in the future of 2020, and I'll see you in the next episode.